Welcome back, everybody, to another episode of Ty and Gig Builds. Today we're gonna build a Halloween theme coffin. It's October 1st today, so we're gonna kick it off with a nice Halloween theme builds, and we got a couple more of those coming up.
Next week we got the coffee table part 2 build. Sorry we couldn't get it out this week. It just, the PCBs didn't come in time. We'll get to that next week.
Oh, don't worry, guys. We got a nice coffin for you here. And then we might even show you what's inside if you watch the rest of the video. So we're gonna saw these up. These are gonna serve for the front of the coffin. One of our friends is coming over today. We're actually gonna try to put him in the coffin.
Yeah, we'll see if
he doesn't know yet though.
This will serve as the front and the back, these 2x6s. So we're gonna cut each about in half, so about 4 feet each. We're gonna probably put 3 of them to make the front and 3 of them to make the back. Then we're gonna use the 2x8 we got, cut the sides, and then use some 2x4s to just make it a little bit stronger.
All right, guys, our favorite tool's coming up next. These have been smoothed out real nice. Just gonna glue these together. This is gonna serve as the base of the coffin, okay? Builds. Guys, these bad boys are glued up together. Okay, we're gonna take the paint chipper and get some of this excess glue off.
Do a little scrape there.
A little scrape here. Draw this off so it's shaped more like a coffin.
We're gonna freehand it.
It doesn't have to be a perfect coffin because at the end of the day, all we're putting in there is this guy. Home Depot said, you guys need a 3-foot skeleton? We said yes. We couldn't get all the glue off, so we sanded the rest down. And now I'm going to eyeball the coffin here. Like that.
That's all we're gonna do.
And then we're gonna trim these sides, trace it, do it on the other side, and then saw her off, I guess.
Now we're getting pretty good.
Good thing we checked the pictures because we would have made, it wouldn't have looked like a coffin.
What are the next steps, bud?
All right, eyeball came out good. So we just need the sides of this guy. Get these sides and then we're gonna screw it all together. Sand it down a little bit, give it a nice little finishing touch. You hear that?
We got some 2x8s. I think we'll use those as the sides. We also have the 2x6s. We're gonna pick one depending on how much material we have available to us. Then we need to cut some angles for the corners-ish, and then glue it together.
And then call it a night. Very important step, remove the plastic that they stapled onto the wood at Home Depot.
All right, guys. Gig just got done sanding this thing, so all we need to do now is just...
Nice and smooth. It looks like a coffin.
Yeah.
This guy's ready to go to sleep.
This wood was so jaggedy, and there's so many splinters. And
we picked it up at Home Depot and got splinters all in us. All right, I'm gonna blowtorch this baby.
all right, Gig.
Well, you asked, it's back.
That's right. This wraps it up for this build. Very simple, nice DIY Halloween decoration.
Looks really good on the porch, actually. We'll show you a couple shots. We propped it up. It actually looks really sweet on the porch.
Yeah, we didn't have enough time to do the actual coffee table finish this one, but next week is the actual finish. I promise. We get the PCBs. They just arrived today.
Oh, phase 2?
Yeah, phase 2.
Don't worry about that. Phase 2. This is gonna hold you off till phase 2.
Thanks again for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you next week.
Builds.
Too easy.
Too easy with the builds.